Welcome, everybody. We're excited to have you all here today. This foundation has impacted women at a local level in ways that I had never would have even imagined. As women, we face a lot of challenges, but when you add to the fact that we're minorities, there's more challenges. There's even deeper challenges, right? Women of color are treated like secondary. It may be, if we're Hispanics, because of our accent, right? We're maybe looked upon as maybe not being as intelligent because we have an accent. You're trying to speak in two languages, and so it doesn't come out the way you want to share it. As Hispanics, the way we were raised in our culture, I felt that it was important to reach out to women here in the El Paso community. I actually started to see how COVID was impacting women because we were the caretakers, right? We were at home, we were taking care of the kids, we were working, everything was falling on our lap, and I saw it happening. And so I thought, no, this is a perfect time to get started. So I actually started both companies during COVID. During that time, I took a step back. I was thinking, this isn't the right time to start a business. Businesses were closing, small businesses were drastically being impacted, and I felt this was not the right time to start the company. And so, going online through that, I was able to make connections with other women.
The El Paso Chamber is very focused on helping businesses. And one of the programs that I wanted to bring in place when I took over this as a director of programs was to partner with different organizations that are helping the business community. And Cynthia and I go back many years, and we've been friends ever since. And one of the things that we wanted to do is bring a program together that we could offer to our members as well as the business community focused on women.
And so the training that we provide is to help an individual with the skills needed to overcome the challenges. And so through the foundation, what we do is we're able to offer mentoring services. There's no cost, there's no fee for the individuals to receive the mentoring services, to receive, the workshops, the training. There's no fee behind that, because I wanted to make sure that anyone had access to this knowledge, to this opportunity, to the experience of what Crowning Point is about. And so that's how these two companies work together.
In 2020, when everything with COVID did happen, during that time, my husband passed away, and left me and my 3 boys. I've been able to find that mentorship, so we are able to teach each other while we're learning. We're learning leadership skills. We're learning how to be self-aware of ourselves, how to communicate, how to grow in our businesses, how to become leaders, and not just a business itself, but as an entrepreneur.
You may cut me with your words, you may shoot me with your lies. I do believe that we need more women leaders in the world right now. With everything that's going on, we need strong, empathetic, thoughtful, trustworthy, loving, inspiring leaders. We rise together. We rise together. Or the opportunity that we have right now is to empower one another and to work together to put our strengths together with other people's strengths so we can balance out each other's weaknesses and to really step into our power and lead. And that is going to require women working together.
My mom actually wanted to, when she was raising me, she wanted to show me how to be a good wife. She was teaching me ways in being a good wife and making sure that I knew how to cook and all those other wonderful things that make a good wife. But I wanted to be more than just a wife. I had ambitions, and it was difficult. My mom didn't know how to handle that. She didn't know how to handle the fact that I wanted more in life. In the Hispanic culture, we have curfews and things like that. And even as a divorcee with a child, I still had to ask for permission to go out. There was things that I wanted to do in life that were discouraged because I was a female. And my thought was, I have the potential. I don't think they understand that I have the potential to do this. I have the ability. And it was a constant fight. I was not normal growing up. So that's why today I am who I am. You know, my parents, both of them didn't graduate from high school. And so it wasn't because they lacked intellect, it's they lacked resources. And I think that's where my desire to help others comes from. And so the foundation is set up to, you know, both of these businesses are focused on women, but with the foundation, it's focused on Latinas and women of color, high school seniors and women. It's important that women talk to other women, that we're open with each other and talk about those challenges. And so how can we help them overcome those challenges?